how to change your Gmail inbox layout. So if you want to change your Gmail inbox layout, then you need to open up your web browser. And to get started, make sure that you're logged into your Gmail account. So open up your Gmail account. Once you're on the inbox, look for the gear icon, which is on the upper right side of your screen, and click it. This will open up a drop-down menu where you'll find See All Settings. Simply click on that option. Now it will take you to the Gmail settings page. Now you need to go for Inbox tab, which is on the upper left. And here under the Inbox type option, you will have a drop-down bar. Click on that and here you will find multiple options, right? So Gmail offers several predefined inbox types such as default, important first, unread first, started first, priority inbox, and multiple inboxes. Once you've viewed all of this, select the one which best suits you. And for example, I'll be choosing important first. And Gmail will instantly apply the new layout, allowing you to see how it looks and functions. For further customization, you can simply search all of these options, or you can customize all of these options exactly to your liking. So that's how you can change your Gmail inbox layout. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.